In this video we want to show you a pillow with memory foam. It is a bed pillow with bamboo cushion cover we got from Amazon. The pillow is inside a travel bag. Okay, let's get the pillow out. In the back there is a zipper. Let us open it and have a look at the memory foam. There are 3 layers. You can flatten the pillow by removing the middle layer. The pillow has 60 centimeters in width, 35 centimeters in height and 11 to 13 centimeters in thickness, depending if you are adjusting the thickness with the 3 core layers of the memory foam. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.